Children, do we know what are the basic operators in mathematics? What are the 4 basic operators in mathematics?
Addition,
Add, subtract, multiply, divide.
Plus, minus, multiply, and divide. These are the 4 basic operators in mathematics. We know how to apply these operators on rational numbers, like we know how to add 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. We know how to subtract 2 by 3, 4 by 5. We also know how to multiply and is to do these operations on irrationals. Irrational numbers pe we will learn these topics. First of all, children. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to write operators or operations.
We are doing operations. Okay? Abhi you just don't write anything, you understand. Let me put in bracket also plus, minus, multiply, divide. For example, the first one I am taking is root 2 into root 2. Children, this is very, very important for you to understand what is root 2 into root 2. Listen here. What does root 2 mean? This root means power half. Do you know this, children? This root means power half. When you have done cube root of 2, that means 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. You have done all this in class 8. Right? So this means 2 raised to the power half multiplied by 2 raised to the power half. Now applying the laws of exponent, you know if you have a raised to the power m into b raised to the power n, what happens? What happens? What does it become?
A raised to the power
We take it in
into
common.
B raised to the power common.
Is a b raised to the power n?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And when you have a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, what does it become? A raised to the power m plus n.
Raised to the power m plus
Here both the laws are applicable. Here in this case, both the laws are applicable. So this becomes, if I am using this one, 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Half plus half is how much? अगर आप LCM लेते हो like this, which is 1. So 2 raised to the power 1. And what does 2 raised to the power 1 means? 2 only. So what do you get, children? Root 2 into root 2 is equal to what? 2. You don't have to explain all this. This was just for your understanding. We must be knowing that root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay. Now following the same lines, if I ask you, what is root 7 into root 7?
7.
Very good. Right? Are you clear now with this concept? Yahan tak clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
To multiply into root, the number is coming like this. Now, children, what if I say root 2 into root 3?
Root 6.
What if I say
Root
yes? Yes. Let me just explain it to you using the laws. This means 2 raised to the power half into 3 raised to the power half. So this law I am applying here. That a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equal to ab raised to the power m. Okay. So this is 2 into 3 raised to the power 1 by 2. Which means 6 raised to the power 1 by 2. And 6 raised to the power 1 by 2 means root 6.
Root 6.
So root 2 into root 3 becomes okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you have this let's say root 5 into root 11. What will this become now?
Root 55.
Root 55.
Root
Root
55.
55.
Very good. Okay. If I take example 5, root 4 into root 4. What is this equal to?
Root 16.
4.
Root 6.
Root 4 into
Four,
root
only
4
four.
into root 4. Only
4.
only 4. And what if I take root 4 into root 2?
Root 8.
Root 8.
Root 8. And children, is 8 a prime number? Is 8 a prime
ma'am.
number?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
When it is not a prime number, that means it can be put in a simpler form. अगर वो prime number नहीं है तो वो थोड़ा और simplest form में जाएगा. कैसे जाएगा? Let's see to this. Now root 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. है ना बेटा? Root 8
Yes,
is
ma'am.
2 into 2 into 2. Now this 2 into 2 makes a pair. I hope you know that when we are talking of square root, we take one number out from a pair. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
So what does this become? This from this pair, 1, 2 will come out. From this pair, 1, 2 will come out. And this 2 will remain in the root only. So root 8 is 2 root 2. This is in the simpler form. Root 8 is 2 root 2. I am explaining again, beta. Root 2 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 makes a pair. So from that pair, this 2 is taken out. And whatever is left out, that remains in the root. Okay. Manal, please stop.